Hey, good evening, everyone. This is Patricia, and I am traveling for history. Let's take a look-see at my garden this year. Snapdragons, salvia, my pink flamingo, of course. This is a hot banana pepper, strawberry plant, and a strawberry growing right there on it. A geranium, a couple of tomato plants. These flowers are going to be tomatoes. More salvia. That's a jalapeno plant, basil, oregano, and zinnias. And let's look at the zinnias. Aren't they beautiful? I love flowers. Anyway, oh, and let's admire the Mexican pots while we're at it. Aren't they pretty? And this one is so adorable. Oh my God, it's a snail. Anyway, this is Patricia, and I am traveling for history. I wanted to share with you my garden. If you like my content, please subscribe. Thanks.